Okay, where is my McQueen and the muddy car, my friend? Wow, yes it is, my friend. Look at this, a lot of muddy car here. Okay, my friend, let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Okay, done, my friend, let's go. Well, my friend, very nice. Look at the water. Okay, let's go with this one, my friend. Okay, check this out. Okay, wow, what is this? This look like a police car, my friend. Done. Fix police car. Okay, stay there. Alright, let's go with this one, my friend. Do you know what is this, my friend? Check this out. Ta-da! This is... What is this? What is this? This is a dump truck, my friend. Stay there. Wow, this is the big one, my friend. Red color. What is this? Ta-da! McQueen.
Big Bruce! Never mind that now. I need her back here. Now! Get her back!
Yeah. No, not really. But listen, I'm Lightning McQueen, the famous race car. I'm being held.
Okay, this is McQueen, my friend. Okay, stay there, McQueen. Alright, what else, my friend? Okay, we are going to go with this one, my friend. Do you know what is this, my friend? Check this out. Wow, amazing, my friend. Long chassis dump truck. Okay, how about this one, my friend? Alright, green colors look like. Oh wow, amazing. This is a rally car. Okay, so good, stay there, rally car. Okay, let's go with this one, my friend. Okay, check this out, my friend. Yes, this is amazing Boeing, my friend. Very cool. Okay, stay there. Okay, let's go, my friend. This is the huge truck, my friend. Alright. Look at this, my friend. Huge truck. Okay. Oh, already many green. Let's go, my friend. This is a double cabin.
Tongsin untuk menapaki medan off-road.
Very nice color, my friend. See the tires. Okay, stay there. Oh, what about this one, my friend? Look at this. Ara tayo.
Ayo, hai tayo, dia bus kecil ramah melaju. Hai tayo.
Red color tayo, my friend. Okay, stay there, tayo. I'm sure, my friend, this is Tayo bed. Well, this is yellow Tayo, my friend.
I'm sorry. Was it along this way? Right. Oh, nice.
Hey, I've got one.
Very nice. Okay, pick up the student, my friend. Okay, stay there, Tayo. Be good, my friend. Okay, what is this? Alright, this is fire rescue. Oh, cool, my friend. Aha, this is full of water. Alright. Nice. Okay, what is that? Another rally car, my friend. Blue color. Wow. Okay, rally car. Stay there. Wow, what is this? Haha, this is tomato, my friend.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know. Tahiti, maybe.
Wow, this is Molen truck. Very nice. Okay, Molen truck right there. And what is this, my friend? Amazing loader, look at this. My friend, look at this. This is loader. Wow, so good. What is this, my friend? Oh, this is snow tractor. All right. Very nice, snow tractor. What about this one, my friend? Clean already. This one is a compactor, my friend.